You had a bite?
Yeah.
Really? I can see something there tugging you. We actually got a fish.
I'm the fish king of today.
Hit the subscribe button and join us on our fishing adventures. Contact Rock and Surf South Africa for surf and deep sea sinkers at affordable rates.
Hey everyone, it's your boys Akash and
Ashton.
yeah, so it's the 27th of December 2023 and we're down for the Christmas holidays. Yeah, so we're going to the beach. We're gonna go to Anstey's and have a few throws and see what we catch. I think the water's coming in. I think it's like 3 p.m. or 2:30, quarter to 3 now, and about 3 p.m. is high, or 4 p.m. is high. Sorry, 4 p.m. is high. 4 p.m. is high water, and we're gonna see if we can get some fish, and we will catch you just now. Hi guys, so we've actually made it to the beach. It's very windy. Water's very rough. Let me show you a shot quickly of the ocean. Yeah, so that's the ocean. We said we'll fish here on the side of the pipe. We'll try. So
We're using prawns and baby squid for bait.
prawns and baby squid, okay? What are your thoughts on the water?
Might be a little bit rough for the fishes to come, and then the currents might be getting there. If we fish there, we might get some currents because if we fish over there, it's strong winds.
Okay, so this side is strong waves and this side is a little bit less strong waves. So we're gonna fish on this side, I guess. On the right. Cool. Well, the Ashton makes his way down finally. Here's a little bit of dirt in the water, but we're still gonna try. Hey, you finally made it. What took you so long?
The mountain.
But you're going down the mountain, not up the mountain.
Yeah, too long. No, I didn't see any flies.
You had a bite?
Yeah.
Really? I can see something there tugging you. Oh, it looks like a lot of dirt, son. Looks like a lot of weed. Oh, there's a lot of weed coming out on the line. Yeah, we've had a few throws, and just so you know that a lot of weed floating in the water, and you can see here the shore edges. So that's all going onto Ashton's line. Yeah, so Ashton is stuck. All that weeds and stuff have just taken his line into the rocks. Very difficult to feel a bite. Let me try and help him get his line out. Might have to make a new trace. But the guys that are fishing there are just throwing baits, but they're not catching anything. Nothing, son. Nothing, baby. Hey man, we just put another bait and we try again. Hey guys, with all that baji, we actually got a fish. Look here. Shame he didn't get hooked in his mouth. He got hooked on the side of the gill. But we're gonna quickly let him go. There's your fish, son.
My fishy.
Yeah, we'll just quickly let him go because he got pulled by the side by his gills. And there he goes. Yeah, so we said we were packing up, but Ashton still wants the fish. So aren't you tired of catching herbs? You saved your ducks. Good job, Ashton.
I'm the fish king.